Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Looking for a smarter, more organized way to manage your work life without getting lost in the chaos? In this beginner tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through how to use Notion with a free professional work-life dashboard template. By the end of this video, you'll have a personalized workspace that streamlines your tasks, tracks your progress, and helps you stay focused, all for free. Let's jump right in. We're going to start by using a ready-made template because it saves you the headache of building everything from scratch. These templates aren't just quick fixes, they actually bring a polished, professional look to your workspace. And don't worry if you're new to Notion, customizing things to fit your style is easy later on. Starting with a template helps you hit the ground running, so you can focus on organizing instead of fighting with layouts. First, open up Notion. At the very top left corner, you'll notice a little drop-down icon right next to your workspace title. Click that to reveal more options. This simple step gives you access to countless ways to set up Notion exactly how you want. Sometimes, finding the right button can be tricky when you're new, but with Notion, it's all pretty intuitive once you know where to look. Now from that menu, find and select Browse Templates. This is where the magic happens. Think of it like a library stocked with tools for every kind of workflow and project. In the template gallery, you'll see all sorts of essentials. In the search bar, type Work Life to filter out everything except dashboard templates specifically designed for managing your work or professional tasks. You might see a few different ones. Pick the one that catches your eye, whether you want something minimalist or a more detailed project tracker. Once you've landed on a template you like, simply select it, then click Add. In just a moment, Notion will copy that template directly to your workspace. This part might take a few seconds, so don't worry if there's a little pause. You'll see the full dashboard load up, and right away, it'll look organized and clean with sections for tasks, goals, notes, and more. Now comes the personal touch. In each section, you can add your credentials, project details, creative ideas, anything that keeps you on top of your day. For example, in the tasks area, pop in your upcoming deadlines. Under Notes, jot down minutes from meetings, brainstorms, or key reminders. Every field in Notion can be modified, so as you use the dashboard, feel free to tweak colors, rearrange blocks, or rename categories to better match your workflow. If it's your first time customizing, try changing just one thing and see how easy it is to make the template feel like it's truly yours. Remember, you can always go back and fine-tune later on. And just like that, you've set up a powerful dashboard to organize your work life. No coding or complicated setup required. You now have a living workspace that looks professional and adapts as you grow in your career or projects. If something doesn't look quite right, take a few minutes to experiment, and I promise, Notion's flexibility will amaze you. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or want to show off your own customized dashboard, drop a comment below. I love seeing what you come up with. And if you're looking for more easy productivity tips and Notion tricks, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.